Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win. We've got a spot alert on POL, and we've already hit our first take profit target with a solid 6.5% gain already. If you were following my lines, you saw the bull flag on the daily basis, which corresponded perfectly with the retest of that 185-day range area. This setup was on point, and it's playing out beautifully. I believe a 20 to 30% pump could be seen soon. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.